Hello everyone, my name is Armindo Jr. from Mozambique, Maputo, and this is CS50's Commerce. Starting off by just showing the models are created. We have the beats, we have the categories, we have the comments, we have the listings, and we have users and watch list. I'll cover more of that later on. And we can create a listing. In this field, we can choose the name of the item, the title. I'm gonna say field, I can describe the item. Take the price. I'm gonna just say, I don't know, $3. We can choose the category that fits the most with the item. In this case, it's toys. This is a many-to-many relationship, so we can select many, more than one. But in this case, it's not necessary because toys is the only one that fits the most with. I can search for an image, then I'm gonna just copy the image address, and I'm gonna paste it in this field. Click on submit. We have a new listing. I can see the listing details in this page. But as I am the owner of the listing, I am not allowed to make a bid. So I'm gonna just log out and log in to a new account. Choose this one. Okay. Now we can see the bid form. We can see the comment form. Let's try to make a bid. If I do this, it's not gonna make it because it has to be the initial bid has to be either greater or equal to the initial price. So if I just okay, here we go, $3, one bid so far, and I have the current highest bid. I can write a comment. Name and the comment I made, the time, the daytime. I comment on the post. Let me go to a different account so I can try to make a new bid on the same listing and add this item to the watch list. I can remove it. I can add it again. And if I check my watch list, here we see the item. If I remove, if I remove from the watch list, it's no longer there. If I decide to, for example, place the bid that's equal to the current bid, it's not going to accept it. This message will be raised bid that should be greater than the current bid. If I place 4, it's good. 4, 2 bids so far. I have the current highest bid. Now, let me go back to the account that listed this item so I can close the auction. There we go. I can now have the ability to close the auction. If I close the auction, you have this confirmation message. I say okay, the auction is closed. And let me go to the account that won the auction. And we have this message. Congratulations, Swag, you won this auction. The auction is closed. Now let's check on the categories. We have all the categories in my DD. I can click on electronics, see an item, and if I click on a category that has no item listed, no items listed in this category, if I go to fashion, you'll see. If I move to this, you'll see the item. And now let's go back to the admin interface. Okay, the admin account. If I click on bits, you see all the bits that were made. I can filter to its own post. I can see the listings. I can see the active items. I can see the non-active items. I can delete a listing, for example, the listing that I just created, and it's gone. I can delete a comment. Delete this comment, for example. And there we go. So this is it. This is my commerce project. Thank you for watching, for attending my walkthrough, and this is it. Don't forget to like, to leave a comment, to subscribe. That helps me a lot to reach more people, and so that my content can be seen by a large community. Thank you so much. Do great.